Hi, I'm Evie.
And I'm Charlotte. This is our younger sister, Tay.
And these are our parents.
They're taking us on a big European vacation.
This week, we're in Tuscany exploring hilltop towns, touring a cheese farm, and eating gelato after every meal.
What are we doing this morning, Tay?
Playing the ball.
Playing bocce ball?
Yeah.
Can you show me how you throw the bocce ball? Okay, good throw.
Good morning. This is our second full day here in Italy. We're heading to Montepulciano to check the town and get some food and have a nice time.
We are also relatively confident that our taxis will show up.
Hope so.
Because the first one has already picked up
Half the group.
And it's supposed to be coming back for us afterwards. It's actually here!
We're in Montepulciano, and we just got dropped off at the very top where the fort is. It says it dates back to potentially 715 AD, which is crazy old. We're gonna go walk around the town.
All right, no museum for us today, or castle. Unfortunately, it is closed, and as much as Laura begged and pleaded, they wouldn't let us in. So we're off to explore the rest of the town. We are currently walking around and exploring the Torture Museum, which is what you do when you come to Montepulciano. We'll see what our kids think.
You'd be bound, so your hands would all be tied, and you'd keep going in side to side, getting stabbed until you finally told the truth.
I would tell the truth right away. Same.
If you stole, they would chop your hands off, so you couldn't steal again. It continued in order of severity based on this degree of punishment. The first degree meant burning or crushing noses, ears, lips.
We are off to grab some breakfast or lunch or something. I don't know. That was pretty messed up. How is it, Uncle?
Amazing.
What'd you get?
I'm not sure. You're having pizza so with everybody else too.
I wasn't. I didn't like it.
What did you have instead of pizza?
Bread.
We're all getting ready to go here from this restaurant. And little Tay is still sitting at the table, just chowing down on her crust, totally happy. Tay, where are we gonna go now?
Gelato. I don't.
Can you say gelato, Tay?
Gelato.
We're at the gelateria. I have no idea. We're getting gelato. Perfect because it's really hot. So we're really excited to get gelato. We'll see.
We are back home from Montepulciano. What'd you think, kid?
It was really good. The ice cream was really good.
Ice cream.
If you're in Montepulciano, you should go there.
How was the Torture Museum?
It was definitely different than I thought, but I think my favorite one was what's it called where their head?
The guillotine?
Yeah, the guillotine. And when you put your neck in it, there's a blade, like a long blade, and it comes down and chops your head off.
That doesn't sound very nice.
No, it doesn't.
Girls are gonna hop in the pool, and then we want once again have the same chef coming back to cook us dinner tonight. I can't wait for a delicious meal. Tomorrow's gonna be another really fun day. We're actually gonna go take some vans over towards Pienza. We're gonna go see a dairy farm, we're do some cheese tasting, we're gonna do some lunch over there, and then we're gonna head on back here to the villa. And to get ready for that, I'm going to bed. Good night.
Your butt is a good landing pillow.
Thanks. Good morning. We are all a little cranky because the hot water heater went out and no one got to take a hot shower this morning and the water's freezing cold. But hopefully it'll get fixed later today.
One more.
Where are we going today?
We're going to the cheese farm.
We're gonna go see some goats,
Go.
taste some cheese,
Cheese.
and then we're gonna go to a little town called Pienza.
Pienza.
Have lunch and walk around.
We just arrived here at the cheese farm. We're gonna go explore the absolutely beautiful hillside, if you can see this behind me. Hopefully see some farm animals and taste some cheeses. Tay, where are we?
I'm fun.
What are we gonna see?
Emma.
You excited?
Eat some cheese?
There's lots of stray cats in Italy and dogs. I got freaking some yucky water.
Is that pig in the mud?
Yeah. I see two pigs. You see two pigs?
That was legit cockle-doodle-doo. We've arrived at the best part of the tour, which is the tasting. A little vino, a little cheese and bread, and hopefully we can get the kids to try some of this.
We just finished at the farm where we tasted all the cheeses and drank some wine. It was a really, really fun experience. The kids got to feed the goats and see the pigs, and we got to see how they make the cheese, and it was a really nice afternoon, and our view is amazing, unreal. And now we're gonna go into Pienza and have lunch and walk around the town.
We just arrived in the Italian town of Pienza, where we're gonna grab a bite to eat for lunch and then go do some exploring. We just wrapped up a fabulous meal at the La Bandita townhouse. Yes, the La Bandita townhouse. What do you think, Ed?
It was delicious.
Ed, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go walk around, find some gelato, and who knows.
Another amazing Tuscan day in the books.
It was a really, really relaxing day. We were out in the little town, which was super cute. while we were gone, they got the hot water fix, so everyone was able to come back and shower afterwards, which was really nice. So now we all feel clean and rested, and it's just so unbelievably beautiful here. It's something that we've been looking forward to for so long and planning for so long, so it feels crazy to actually be here and to just look around and see the views are unreal. And we're just so excited that we're here, and it's just been an amazing time. And we still have one more full day.
Off tomorrow, the driver's going to pick us up again. We're going to go explore another hilltop town.
I think it's called Montalcino.
And hopefully eat some more pasta and pizza and gelato, see some more ancient sites. And before we do that, tonight we have Chef David again cooking us another fabulous meal, which we're going to go enjoy, relax, and get ready for our final full day here in Tuscany tomorrow.
Good morning from the van.
On the road to Montepulciano.
Currently sitting outside of the house they filmed some of Gladiator at, and then we're gonna go into Montalcino. Got a little car sick babe here. She just got sick, but she did awesome and got it all inside the bag. So we're hoping that that was a one and done, but we got another 20 minutes to go, so we'll see.
You ready to go again, Tay-Tay?
You did so good, honey. I'm sorry you got sick.
We have made it to Montalcino. It was a long and windy road to get here, with a little intermission of motion sickness from little Taylor Bear. But she's doing much better now, and we're gonna walk around town, check out the sights of the city, and grab some food eventually, see where we go. We are finally taking a quick break from our walking tour to stop for lunch. Because our group is so big and this town is so small, we're actually splitting up between families here today.
Between two restaurants. They all seem very overwhelmed when we tell them we have 13 people. They're like,
That's
so
a lot of
let's
Americans.
just split 6 and 7 and go to different restaurants. So we're at one, and my brother's family's at the other.
We have a bubby joining us as well. And we're gonna eat some pizza and some pasta and
Finish with gelato, like always.
can't wait.
You're my.
I'm Bobby.
You're Bobby.
We just wrapped up a very lovely lunch and are walking now to go meet the rest of the group. Oh, and look who we found here. Did you miss us?
Those are always loaded questions. I would say while you were here, of course I missed you. But I survived without you for about 35 minutes.
Okay, cheers to that. Welcome to a wild final night here in Tuscany.
It started raining when we got back from, where were we today? Montalcino. So the kids are a little stir crazy and they are driving us crazy.
Just check out the craziness behind us right now. I don't even know what's happening right now.
But we have a new chef tonight. His name is Chef
Leonardo,
and everything he already has prepped looks amazing. And I'm really excited to try his food tonight. And we are also getting packed up because we leave in the morning for Barcelona.
Let's open some wine.
Yeah.
This is our final family vlog from
Daddy?
Italy.
You got me going.
That's not true. We're coming back to Italy in like 2 days.
This is our final family vlog from Tuscany.
From Tuscany.
Tomorrow we are putting our bags in the car and we are driving to the airport,
We're going to Florence.
and then we're gonna fly over to Barcelona where we're gonna spend one night, and then we're gonna hop on a what, girls?
Airplane
Oh.
A Disney cruise.
Yeah, it's so How am I the
We're
only one that
also
comes out
saying
here?
goodbye to Mari tomorrow. She is not going on the Disney cruise with us, so she is actually taking the train from Florence to Milan, where she has a friend, and they are going to spend the next week traveling around Europe together, which was going to be so fun for her, and I'm sure she's very excited to have a break and not be on nanny duty and have some time in Europe to herself.
We're gonna go get these kids to bed. Girls, any
Almost in any race.
very final and quick thoughts from your time in Tuscany this past week at the villa?
It's been amazing, but it's sad that Mari's leaving.
Yeah, we're all pretty tired.
Okay.
So we'll see.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
all
wait.
right.
Yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Mari leaving is
Yes, it is.
sad.
All
So
right.
we're gonna see her. It's not the end of the world.
Well, it's still sad that she's
This
leaving
vlog's
us.
about to
She's
be the end of the
leaving.
world.
Good night.
Good night, vlog.
Night. Bye.
Go, Bubs. Don't look at me.